All right, y'all see it. Polaris RZR 900S. All right, today we're gonna be swapping out these stock clutches, Polaris clutches, with some Harvey ATV mother clutches. All right, so first thing I did was took a 22 millimeter, got this bolt out. This is what holds the primary clutch in place. Make sure you don't lose no washers. Then you get the puller tool, which if you don't have one, they come with the new clutch kits, but I mean, I have like 8 of them and always end up using the new one every time. So you just take this back out. Really, you don't have to. You can take it out later, but you see that front one's off of there. And then we come to the back. All right, now we're just gonna pop this off. I'm stuck on the tire. We're gonna come up out of there and get that off the rest of the way. All right, and then this one on the back, the easiest thing to do, they sell a little tool for it, but what I do, probably not the best way, is just take this bolt that you take out of there, you put it in right here, and then you just pop it that way, and it pops right off. Now, we got a loose secondary and primary. But our primary, if you look at this, has also gone to shit. But we're here to save these problems from happening. Get my tool back. Then I'm gonna go grab these new clutches. All right, y'all, so here we are. Again, Harvey's ATV parts from Pleasant View, Tennessee. They make these clutches. Mother clutcher. And like I said, in every new kit, remover tool. That's gonna be our primary. This here is gonna be the secondary. A lot of boxing and packing means they care. So let's look here. Look at that. Look at that brand new baby. Look at her. That's our brand new secondary. Let's get our primary. All right, we're gonna get this one laid out right here next to it. Let's get it out of the packing. And there it is. As y'all see, mother clutcher. Here we are, guys. All right. Don't forget to add in the brand new belt. All right, let's get it done, y'all. You got your primary. Then, once we got our primary, damn, guys. Then, once we got your primary and your secondary both seated, you install both your bolts, finger tight, Then you're gonna grab the impact. Fuck. I don't know where I put the impact. You're gonna grab the impact, tighten it back up, torque it, couple of duggers, get you right. Then you're gonna put your cover back on, all the little screws around, and rip it. Yeah, welding wheelies, just got the clutch replaced. We got the 7-year-old out here whipping the Polaris RZR 900S. You know it. Yee yee, welding wheelies.